Okay, so now we want to give users the ability to add content to deals, or even just give me the ability to add a deal to this little app. So, right so here we have deals and everything, and I want to have another whatchamacallit, like another button that says add a deal, right? And then we click it and we can enter in all this information. So how do we start doing that? Well, I don't know. First of all, I do know that I've got this table here. This holds all the deals. So what I'm going to say to it is, how do I add a column called created by user ID to a MySQL table called deals, right? It's because I want to expand this table out. I want to add another column there. This, I don't know. I'm not reading you, dude. We don't read the instructions. We just say we copy this, and then we go back here. We could say this. Okay. So now I want to say, okay, cool. So when I added that, when I ran that code, the existing rows now have null for that column's value. Can you give me SQL code that will update that to 1? Sure. All right, thanks. Update deal set. Okay, easy enough. We run it, and we go back here, and we want to do that again. Oh, that's not right. This was set to. You are using copy resp. To do this, preferences. It maybe just needs. It needs a where. Okay, yeah, all right, easy. So now basically my user ID 1, like, that's just my main first user. So now, but does that break this? So here's the question, right? Does that break the dashboard? Sure. Nope. Oh. Does it break the dashboard? No. Which is fine. Now we should update the dashboard to say something like add a deal. We have to update the nav, right? I'm going here, get dashboard, and now I'm going to say, do I really even need to? There is a point when we know what's going on. Let's have a look over here. We want it to the left of dash, or maybe like the left of my profile, right? Well, nav item, nav link, we're going to call it add a deal. And this is here. And there we have add a deal. And where does it go? Is there a link? href. Add a deal.html. And then we're also okay. Now give me a template for the add a deal.html page. This page we will build out later. Oh wait. Okay, so now it has my dashboard page in this conversation, which is good, right? Which is good, because now it knows our table heads. Now it knows our table heads. Maybe we can go back in here, add a new file called add-a-deal.html. And we can just pick. So we had to add the route in there, of course. Oh wow, it's giving me the input boxes. It's already, I didn't even ask for it. That's freaking crazy. I didn't even ask for it, and I broke. State. So we have city, state, county. Okay, yeah, that's better.
Okay,
And this starts where? Container 5mt. So it's this whole div. Ending in parking spaces. Now give me what I need to add for the route for my Node.js project. Okay, got that part, that part, that part, that part. Got that part. Got all that, body parser. Here's the route. This handles the form submission. All beautiful. Well, that should do it. Interesting. Let me just enter my information in here. Keep it private a little bit, you know. Yes, so looks like it works, kind of. Yeah, that's great. Where was it? Let's add a deal. This all works. And we'll do some more testing and check us out in the next video. Thanks a lot.